seen about brief introduction of fibers and types of fibers. Also we have seen about wool. Okay, wool is an animal fiber which is obtained from fleece of animals, sheep, goat, yak, etc. And it is acting as a good insulator, and it is also mainly it is obtained from fleece of sheep. The from the sheep we can obtain two types of fibers, that is horse beard hair and soft under hair. Also they are taking from the sheep for obtaining fibers. Then wool can be obtained from different animals also, such as camel, goat, sheep, alpaca and yak. Today we are moving to production of wool. Okay, so how the wool is produced in the factories or industries. So the steps involved in the production of wool are 5. Okay, so let us see one by one. Shearing. First step in the production of wool is shearing, scoring, grading and sorting. Fourth step is dyeing. Fifth step is drying. Okay, so there are 5 steps in the production of wool. What are they? Shearing, scoring, grading and sorting, then dyeing and drying. Understood, children? So let us see all these steps briefly. Okay, first step is shearing. So what is meant by shearing? It is the process of removal of fur or fleece of the sheep along with the thick layer of skin. Okay, so what is meant by shearing? Just they will remove, first they will remove the fur or fleece of the sheep along with the thick layer of skin. Okay, from the sheep they will remove the fur along with the thick layer of skin. That process is called what? Shearing. Okay, so it is done without harming the sheep, using a manual razor or clipper. Okay, how they will remove the fur or fleece of the sheep? By using manual razor or clipper. Okay, so usually it is done every year in spring or in summer season. So during summer season we know it's very hot temperature. There is so the fleece of the sheep is not required as an insulator during these months. So the shearing of the sheep usually done every year in spring or in summer season. Here you can see the picture. A person is shearing. Person is doing the shearing. That is removing the fur from the sheep by using the razor. Now second step is scoring. So what is meant by scoring? After removing the skin from the sheep, this particular sheared skin contains dirt and dust and grease. Yes? So we have to wash. That process is called scoring. Okay, so the process of washing the sheared skin with hair to remove dust, dirt and grease using machine or in tanks. Okay, how they will wash the sheared skin? They will use machine or tanks. Here you can see the picture. The scoring in tanks will be done like this, and scoring also can be done by using machines. Okay, so by which they can remove the dirt or dust or grease which is present in the sheared skin. Okay, this is the second step of wool production. So next thing is third step of wool production is grading and sorting. So after scoring, sorting is done. Okay, sorting is done after scoring. Hair is skin after washing or after scoring. Hair is skin is sent to a factory for separating hair. Okay, so this process of sorting the wool according to its texture, length and color is called grading. Okay, so after scoring, that means after washing the fleece of the sheep along with its hair, it is sent to factory for separating the hair. Okay, after that the wool can be separated according to its texture, length and color. Okay, that is called grading. Grading means we know in school we are conducting tests in order to grade how much you have, just we are testing how much you have studied. Yes, in the same way here we are grading, or we are selecting, or we are separating the sheared skin of the sheep according to its texture, length and color. Okay, so small soft fibers are called as burrs. Okay, so soft fibers which is present in the fleece of the sheep is called as burrs, which is separated from the hair. Okay, so this is done during the third step of wool production. Okay, so sorting is done after scoring. What is meant by sorting? Hairy skin will be sent to factory for separating hair. After that, according to its texture, length and color, they will separate the wool. That is called grading. So small soft fibers can be separated from the hair of the sheep. That is called as burrs. Now fourth step of wool production is, here you can see the picture of sorting. Okay, so according to the texture, length and color, they will sort the wool. Fourth step of wool production is dyeing. The fleece of sheep is usually white, brown or grey color. Okay, so to get desired color, it is dyed in different colors. Okay, and then the dyed fibers will be sent for carding. Okay, so the color of the fleece of sheep usually white, brown or grey. So to get desired color, we can dye the fleece of sheep with desired color. Okay, which color we need, that according to our desire we can select the color and dye it. Then the dyed fibers again sent for the carding. Okay, so dyed fiber, what is meant by carding? The process of straightening the dyed fibers is termed as carding. Okay, so after dyeing the fleece of sheep, it will be straightened by the process called carding. Okay, so the dyed fibers straightened by passing them through metal teeth. Okay, how it will be straightened? By passing through the metal teeth so that it gets straightened. That process is called what? Carding. So here you can see the picture of dyeing. So in order to get desired color, what we need, we can dye it with a particular color. After that, it have to be straightened by using metal teeth. That is called carding. Now the last step of wool production is drying. Okay, after dyeing the wool, we have to dry the wool. The wool is dried and sent for spinning into yarn. It is then weighed and packed into bales. Longer fibers are made into wool for sweaters. Shorter fibers are spun and woven into woolen cloths. Here is the picture how they are spinning the wool into yarn. Okay, so last step is drying, in which the wool is dried and it was sent to the factory for spinning into yarn. Okay, after that it is weighed and packed into bales. Longer fibers will be used for making sweater, shorter fibers will be used for making woolen clothes. Okay, I hope that you all understand about today's topic. So if you have any doubt, you can ask children, and I have sent notes also through WhatsApp. Please copy the notes and read. Thank you, children.